Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to get your video in full screen on Capcut. First, open your Capcut, and then from here tap on New Project, and then tap the video that you would like to edit. So I'll tap this one here, tap Add. Right, and as you can see in here, it is full screen if it's portrait, but if you want it to be full screen, then in the lower part of your screen, slide left, and then tap on Format. You can actually choose any format in here, but if you want, for example, this 16.9, as you can see, the video is not full screen, then what you need to do is to use both of your fingers to resize this. So you can pinch the video if you want it to be smaller, or of course, since we want it full screen, then we will be zooming it in. Now if I play this video, as you can see in here, it is now in full screen. And that's how to get your video full screen on Capcut. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.